Hello and welcome to our seventh grade science back to school night. I'm Mr. Reed.
I'm Mrs. Love,
And I'm Miss Anderson.
and we are up to the challenge of this unique school year. Our goal is to create a positive, engaging learning environment for all of our students. We embrace the challenge of our virtual learners this year, and as you can see, the seventh grade science team works as a team.
We're all here to support the success of our students. Science is unique due to all the hands-on opportunities. We will do our best to provide a learning experience that can be duplicated at home. These things we'll use everyday households, but if you don't have those available to you at home, we will always shoot a video so it will be representative of the lab.
Couple of expectations that we have for all of our students this year is that they have their laptops with their power cords. Even if they're at school, send that cord with them. So if they run out of battery, they can charge those. We will have an assignment or some sort of activity that they have to turn in every day, with an exception of Wednesdays where we've kind of lightened up the load so they can have some work time. If the assignment is missing, they can still turn it in up until the end of the grading period. Even if that tab says it's closed, still submit it. It will accept it with those exceptions of quizzes and tests they have to ask to have it submitted later. The higher grade kids will need to work on their non-school days. So if you are in group one or group two and you are at home, we still expect you to be logging in and actually engaging with your science classes.
So the non-school day or virtual days, we want to make sure you're up and ready to learn. So make sure you're awake. You're in an environment that is good for learning. So maybe at a desk or something where you can work and be focused on what we're doing. Make sure your video screen is on the entire time. Stay in the Zoom until the teacher dismisses you from whatever the activity is. And if you have questions, that's a good time to ask and get independent answers, either by unmuting yourself and asking a question or by typing something into the chat when you have us there directly.
If you go to our PowerSchool pages, we all have very similar PowerSchool pages. On every single day is a daily teaching video. All of us have created these videos with step-by-step instructions on what our expectations are during the day. There are also many teaching moments for new concepts. Like we had said earlier, Wednesday, we were going to be using it for a review and catch-up day, but you are still responsible to check in, and there are still things that are due for that day. All assignments are handed in through PowerSchool. And on our PowerSchool page, everything your student needs to be successful is on there each and every day. Every slide, PowerPoint, worksheet, and like we said before, those daily directions are on there. Also, in the right-hand corner of every page is a 1, 2, 3, 4 checklist of what's going on and what order things should be done in. Tests and quizzes. They can be retaken or redone, but you do have to email and communicate with your teacher because you need to show us that you have done something different that allocates the need to take a new test or a quiz. So just reach out to us. Also, instead of traditional tests, there are going to be times that we have project-based assessments. This could look like creating something. We've done one like this already. We did a cell analogy project, and that was an assessment that was not your usual test.
Could be a video.
Or it could be a video.
Or lab. Or a lab that you have to submit. It all depends. If you are one of our in-class kiddos and we see you every other day, if you are all caught up as an enrichment activity for you, you're going to get some extra time to get some of those resources we have that are kind of fun for science. We have those 3D printers. You're going to get a Tinkercad account so you can learn how to tinker with those and create something 3D print. The goal is every in-class person will print something this year. You also have access to those Sphero robots that we have, so you can do some programming with the robots on those days. So maybe you're all caught up and you have everything kind of turned in and you're rocking and rolling for that content. Depends on what the time of year, what activity is probably going to be offered. Parents, if you or students too, if you need a contact us, please shoot us an email. We have our emails all linked on our we will always respond, hopefully within that school day. If not, it'll be the next morning since we all just about have planned early on in the day. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope you have a wonderful school year.
Goodbye.
Thank you for your support in the
Looking forward to
virtual
a great
world.
year.